morning, you guys. I am here at work, and as you can see, I'm here early because I'm in my office and not in my car. It is Friday, October 12th, and yeah, getting ready to start the day. Going to head out and get breakfast right now. Plan on having a good day today. I dropped my little one off at daycare. I always miss him, so I can't wait for the day to end so I can go pick him up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll do my best to try to talk to you guys throughout the day. Alright. Okay, what's going on, you guys? I have just left work. Of course, as you can tell, it's always the same old, right? But yeah, I've just left work. I forgot I was recording today. I forgot I was vlogging today. So I walked out of my office, walked down the street a little bit, and realized I left my camera locked in my desk. So I had to go back to go get the camera or whatever. But yeah, I literally forgot I was recording today. Today was quite busy. We had someone out today, so when someone's out, it's always very busy. A lot of breath because I parked far from my office, so I'm a little out of breath. And let's see here. That is pretty much it. Oh, I should have gotten over. It's okay. I'm distracted, y'all. Y'all distracted me. Okay. I can still go this way. It's okay. Well, alright. I'm going to go ahead and concentrate on this road so I'm not distracted again. And I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Okay, what's going on, you guys? We have finally made it home. Traffic was ridiculous. But I'm so happy I'm home. The little one is down here relaxing. My husband is outside doing who knows what. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the little one. Say hello. You say hi? No? No? Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let him relax. I'm going to get into some cooler clothes and we will talk to you guys later. Okay, what's going on, you guys? I am ending our video here. Excuse me. Okay, sorry, you guys. You know, you have that itch in the back of your throat. That's what I was struggling with. But yeah, I'm ending the video here. Today was a very busy day, as it's been for the last few days. The little one is down. He went to sleep immediately, and my husband is in the bed as well. So once I'm done with this and edit the video, I'll be going down as well. I really don't have a current event today, but I do want to talk about just briefly some things. It's raining. Yeah, remember Tony? It never rains in Southern California where it's raining. It's actually thundering. We have thunder and lightning right now. Yeah, so we need it. California needs it. And another thing, I want to make sure everybody gets out and vote. I never talk political here, and I never will, but get out and vote, you guys. And let's see here. That is pretty much it. Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next video. God bless.